Hello everyone, today we're going to learn the Leonore Overture by Beethoven. This piece is very fast. It marked at 132 per half note, means 2 clicks per measure. Now we're going to slow it down to about 85 just to work on intonation and the bow stroke. In general, we want to stay in the middle half of the bow at 85 per BPM. Ready, go, 1. Now we will try to do the real speed at 132. Now at that speed, the first half, before double forte, we need to play off the string. Okay, we'll give it a try.